Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to get better at Block Blast. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So the first step is to plan ahead. Look at future blocks and think before placing current ones. Leave space for larger blocks like 2 by 2 and 3 by 3 pieces. Second step is to clear rows and columns first. Focus on clearing lines and create space and earn points. Set up combos and clearing multiple lines at once. Third step is to use corners for large blocks. Placing big or awkward blocks in the corner or edges to keep the center open. Fourth is to balance the board. Avoid crowding one side and place blocks evenly to avoid running out of space. Fifth is to learn from mistakes. If you're stuck, restart and adjust your strategy for better. And last but not the least, practice regularly. The more you play, the better you'll get at recognizing patterns and making smarter moves. Following these steps will help you improve quickly in Block Blast. And that's all for today's video. I hope you find this helpful, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!